Hi, this is Carla with WTI. So I want to share with you guys this really cool charging stand. This is the MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charging stand from Belkin. This is able to charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods all at the same time. So this is the MagSafe, so it's compatible with the iPhone 12 to 14. So if you have a MagSafe case, it works well as well, or just by itself the phone that it's compatible with. What I also like is that with my AirPods, when I charge them, I could charge them with my case. I don't have to remove the case of my AirPods, so that's cool. And then of course with my Apple Watch, it just grabs on, very sturdy, and my phone, my Apple Watch doesn't fall off from the stand. This is so convenient because you don't need a lot of wires to charge your AirPod, to charge your Apple Watch, to charge your iPhone. I mean, you have everything here. So it's a 3-in-1. And all you have to do to connect it to power on is just go ahead and insert the wire here. And you can adjust it. And then once it's connected, it's gonna have this little flashing light and you're ready to go. Very easy and simple to use. I love Belkin products. They have really nice styles. Again, this is very minimal. I like minimal, modern type of styles, and this just goes very well with my decor in my room. So if you're looking to upgrade your charging station and you want something wireless, 3-in-1 to charge your AirPod, your Apple Watch, and phone, I highly recommend the MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charging stand from Belkin. And that is my point of view.